Have you ever wondered how data is stored and managed in large systems? Well, the secret lies in the magic of database models. These models are like the architects of data, structuring and organizing information in ways that make it easily accessible and manageable. They're not just important, they're crucial in the digital age where data is king. Think of them as the blueprints for a skyscraper of data. Now, you might be curious about the different types of database models, right? Let's dive into the world of hierarchical and network database models. The hierarchical database model, as the name suggests, is structured like a tree, with data organized in a top-down manner. It's simple and efficient, but its main drawback is inflexibility. Modifying the structure can be a real challenge. Now, the network database model is like an interconnected web. It allows a record to have multiple parent and child records, providing more flexibility. But it's more complex and can be a bit tricky to manage. Think of the hierarchical model like a family tree where you follow a clear path from grandparents to parents to children. On the other hand, the network model is more like a social network where people can have multiple connections. These two models were the early pioneers, but as data became more complex, more sophisticated models were needed. Enter the relational and object-oriented database models. The relational model, pioneered by E.F. Codd in 1970, is all about tables. Imagine data neatly organized in rows and columns, where each row represents a unique record, and columns correspond to attributes. The beauty of this model lies in its simplicity and ease of data manipulation. Now let's shift gears to the object-oriented model, a paradigm inspired by the principles of object-oriented programming. In this model, data is viewed as objects, each encapsulating both state, data, and behavior methods. The object-oriented model shines in applications where complex relationships and operations are the norm. However, every rose has its thorns. The relational model can struggle with hierarchical data, while the object-oriented model can be overkill for simple data structures. Also, mastering these models requires time and effort. These models offer more flexibility and efficiency, but with that comes complexity. Now let's explore the modern contenders, NoSQL and NewSQL database models. NoSQL, or not only SQL, is the non-relational database model that's been on everyone's lips. It's perfect for handling massive amounts of unstructured data, offering scalability and flexibility that traditional models can't match. Think social media feeds or real-time gaming where data doesn't fit neatly into tables. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. NoSQL's flexibility can lead to inconsistent data if not managed correctly. On the other hand, we have NewSQL. It's like the charming middle child, combining the best of both worlds. It offers the robustness and ACID compliance of traditional SQL, while also providing the scalability of NoSQL, ideal for financial systems or airline reservations where data integrity is paramount. However, it's still a relatively new player, and its performance in large-scale applications remains to be seen. These models are designed for the needs of today's data-intensive applications. So, we've taken a whirlwind tour of database models. From the hierarchical and network models with their roots in the early days, to the flexible and versatile relational and object-oriented models. We've delved into the new kids on the block, NoSQL and NewSQL, each with their unique strengths and weaknesses. Each model offers distinct features and advantages, but also comes with its own set of challenges. Remember, the best database model depends on the specific needs of your application. Until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of data.